What's up, y'all? It's our vlog right here. First vlog. Alright. We're about to go outside to our dry lake. And, you know, because, like, the pipe broke. So, like, all the water kind of drained out. So the lake is just...
Damn.
Like...
is what was securing it, but it broke.
Okay, yeah. But we're about to go out there. And we're going to have a blast.
Yeah, that's about it.
So hopefully it'll be fun. Kind of nervous, not really.
I got a cool barefoot strategy. I'm probably gonna do. I don't know that.
Yeah, I don't think you should do it, but we'll see. Hope it goes well.
We're trying to go to the middle of the lake, but like, if we step, like we just sink through.
Bro, look at my legs. Like,
all right, you wanna go ahead and
log?
We can. Okay,
we're so smart.
Honestly, we are. Oh shoot, I'm sinking. Alright, here we go. Alright.
Dude, look at this. This will last us.
You wanna go with me? Oh shoot, it's hard to balance on this thing. Oh shoot, it's slippery.
Hold up.
I got an idea.
If I fall right here.
I'm trying to hold it still for you, don't worry. Like with my foot. Shoot, it's gonna break, I think. Oh my gosh, he did it. He did it! Alright, Harrison, catch the phone. Wait, you have mud on your hands.
It's fine, it's fine.
Alright, you sure? Alright, you promise you'll catch it?
Yeah.
Alright. I have footage. Just
roller coaster time for the phone.
Alright, here you go. Ready?
Here we go.
Thank you. Keep it recording, alright?
Woo! Alright, Bradley's attempt. He is crawling.
I can't do this. Like, I can't bounce on this.
No, it's not that hard. I promise you, it's not.
I don't want to fall. If I fall, I'm done. Like, I'm out. Like,
and you're wearing your LeBron James shirt.
No!
Just take it off.
I can't now. My hands are dirty.
Bro, you have to walk on it. You'll get stuck.
No, I really will. Dang it. It's going to break.
No, it's not. Bradley, I
Dang
promise.
it.
Bradley, I promise it won't break.
No, I hear it cracking here.
That's the piece that your hand's on.
Okay.
Just walk on this part.
Harrison, I think I'm gonna back up and sprint.
No, you'll get stuck. Look at that. That was just full of water.
Dang,
It's like clay right there. Bro, there's like a freaking chair in the water.
Shoot, I'm at the slip. What? What is that?
It's just a chair. Just chilling. Those chairs just like shove the chair off. They're just like, screw you. Your life is over with. It's like, wait, no, never mind. Okay. By the way, I'm saying, no, never mind.
You what?
Nothing. Bro.
I made it. Oh, nope.
No. Just take one more step. Yeah.
Okay.
Bro, you got this.
I heard that. Let's go.
Let's go! We are up and running. This place is amazing.
The goal is to get on a stump, isn't that the goal?
Yeah, that's like there's a big stump in the middle.
Just record this. Like, look at this.
Bro.
The cracks look awesome. This is really cool. Alright. I think I was just bitten by a spider though, like on my leg.
Hey, bro, it's fine.
Alright, run. Let's run and jump across this. This is easy.
I'm not running. I'm walking, bro. I'm not running on this. See, boom. 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 Didn't even have to jump.
I can't run in boots. Never mind.
Alright,
Oh,
see you.
nice bottle. Found a, look at this.
Step on it.
Oh, it has water in it. Does it have treasure though?
Bro, this stuff is freaking cracking. Or is that just your boots?
No, that's
Oh no, it's the
Clam
freaking
shell.
clams. I'm so
Look at all the clams. Who would have
Alright.
thought?
Bro, we could flip a tire for exercise. Like, I'm being serious. But
Yeah.
what if like a snake lives in there? I hate snakes so much. Bro, is this like a
Dude, now
freaking
it's hard as a rock
lunchable? Is this
out
like a
here.
lunchable thing or is it just a random plate?
Dude, this is as hard as a rock. This is awesome.
Bro, we got a, what is that? I don't want to walk out there. Like,
Look at it. It's a stream going. That's horrible.
bro, but we can't like walk over there.
I know, I'm
'cause we'll
saying, like, we
sink.
fall.
Yeah.
We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Oh.
By the way, your mom just texted, Bruno walked me.
Wait, let me see.
No, yet. We're videoing.
I know, no. We'll end it and we'll go back to it. Just here.
That is.
Stuck.
That's Bradley.
It made a fart noise.
Oh, I don't know if you can tell, but we're kind of standing and walking on our used to be lake. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. This is a stump.
No,
Those are more stumps. That's Bradley getting stuck again.
Hi.
So yeah, walking on this is pretty dope. Our house is like way over there, past all that. So we've walked a pretty long ways. I'm thinking like, oh my gosh, Bradley, are you serious?
3 times in a minute. No
Just
one
try to get on the tripod.
No!
Alright, I'm about to hop up on this stump. Sorry, Bradley, but that was your fault. You're gonna suffer. So, I'm gonna go over here. But there's clams like everywhere. That's what's cracking. Like, see, boom. Like these people died. Alright, here we go.
Where you at, Mother Nature? Oh wait, are you
Just for clarification, he's not an atheist, so just if you're wondering.
How do you know that?
We talked about that last night.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we did. I am on the stump.
Shoot.
He's being an idiot again and not walking on the dry spots. You gotta go around. Just like walk.
Wait.
See, that's where mine were. Hold up.
Can we find a dead baby in here?
So, hope y'all enjoy the moment. I think we are too. And what do you know?
What's good?
Another stump. Another stump. Oh, that's not really a stump, I guess. Oh no, it is.
Yeah, it is.
That's a stump. That's a stump. Those are stumps. I don't know if you can see
That's
that.
a lot of stumps.
Those are stumps. That's another big stump. That's a stump.
No, this is a dump. I'm trying.
Alright.
I am jumping it, Harrison.
This is pretty awesome. He's jumping this. I mean, it's not that great of a jump. It's a pretty bad accomplishment too. I mean, like, if you ask me.
Dude, look at this stream.
Look at this stream. Look at this stream. Look at this dude.
No!
I told you it was stupid.
Let's go. Let's go.
Alright, he made it. Never mind.
I literally got clay on my feet.
Bro, if I run a jump, like.
You can't really run in boots. It's weird.
Bet.
You look like freaking James running. Like you're running in slow-mo.
Alright. Should I like attempt to just like jump across, like take a running start from right here?
Harry!
Why did you do this again?
It's so hard not to get stuck.
Look at this man. Oh wait, he's not a man yet. Look at this dude. Got stuck again.
Dude,
Wearing that trashy LeBron James jersey. I hope he gets it dirty.
If I can get to this stump, I'll win.
Oh, you're walking fine. Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright, I'm gonna try
Good, homie.
an attempt what the world has never attempted. Well, I mean, I guess someone's probably attempted this. But
Sitting on toilet.
I could just jump right there and then just walk.
Sitting on toilet. Sitting on toilet. Sitting on toilet. Sitting on toilet.
Alright, I'm gonna just do it. I go right here. It's actually a pretty long jump. Sort of, not really. I mean, I guess kind of is. Oh, I'm going in. Not really. Check it.
You don't really have to jump across it. Don't worry.
I am.
Okay.
Shush. I can do it. You just gotta believe, you know?
I don't believe a bit that you could run or jump in that.
In it or like across?
Like in your boots.
Oh.
Like trying to get over this goal.
Bet. Oh!
You got some on my phone, it's fine. We can clean
It's just like my knee and my boots. Bro, look how deep this hole is. Look how deep this hole is. Bro. I freaking just like slammed the phone down. Like, I just like on the ground. It was great. Alright, now I have to try to walk across this. Or it's just like, I don't know. I could go over there and just like step over it. I'm gonna do that. Here we go. Can't make this too long of a video. Oh shoot. That's a dry spot. Let me get up this. Oh. Ah! 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 My leg. Oh, there's a bird.
It's a chicken.
Ah! Ah! I'm trying. My foot is about to come out of the boot.
Wow.
All right. After I get out of this, I'm gonna cut the film short because I gotta at least send it on the group chat. I don't want it to be too long. And my foot's out. That's just great. Great way to end it.
Your foot's out of the boot?
Y'all can laugh while I'm trying to fix this. So get her out of the boot. That's amazing, isn't it? Right? Yeah. I mean, like, nothing can be better than this. And trying to get boots out of the mud. Bradley's kind of struggling over there too. He's trying to get over to where I am, which I don't think he wants to be because I kind of.
I pulled my flipping hip out of place.
Are you serious?
Kind of. It like popped.
Well.
Hey, in other words, I'm Andrew Bull. Just kidding. Andrew, if you watch this, I'm sorry. Not really, but yeah. Oh, I did it again. Harrison.
Are you serious?
Yeah, it keeps on happening.
Let me pull my boots out and then walk over to you. Alright. We're going to attempt to pull these suckers out. Ah!
I'm coming to help you, brother.
Ah!
Brother from another.
There's one. That's on the ground. There we got another.
Why would you ever attempt walking across?
I didn't! I like stepped right there and I was like, crap, that's dry. And I was like, and I tried to pull my foot out and then it wouldn't come out. I was just like, well then. Let me put the phone down for a quick minute.
Look at this. You hear those manly
Dude.
grunts? That's what you hear every time he goes to the restroom.
Screw this Team Pack shirt. I'm wiping my hands on it.
Oh.
I got another one actually, I
Oh.
think. I mean, I have two in my room, so. It's just the brown one.
I'd say I pulled a Harrison. I tried to walk across.
Why are you so... Oh!
Don't even say that. You're the first one to do it.
True that, though. Alright. That sounded so funny. Alright.
What if I walk across this?
Bro, my feet are so dirty.
Dude, I'm actually washing. So what is that? Why is it pink and all? Like, it's just like cancer.
It's probably like clay.
No, that's cancer.
Or that. He just walked across that. I could have done that, but...
They call me Jesus.
I was... I wasn't that smart.
Shoot, dude, that actually looks really cool though.
My feet?
Yeah, no, like how it's bending it. It doesn't do that for me.
It's like... What do you call those things? Like foam blocks, you know?
Yeah.
I
I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
I might take my boots off. Mine are
Bro, but your feet are gonna be so dirty. If you get clams on them, they'll like cut your feet.
They do?
I don't know. I mean, it hasn't happened yet. Because my feet don't hurt.
I'm about to get my feet stuck purposefully so I can take off my shoes.
No! Why?
What?
No, stop.
Well, how do I take them off?
I don't know. You pull your foot out. 'Cause that's how you put them on. You just put your foot in.
I've always hated taking off boots.
Mr. Struggles.
They slide. They just slide. Just like I do into that girl.
Can I get a oh yeah?
Wait, what?
What?
What just happened?
You just...
What?
You ruined it!
They ruined what?
The Hoya!
I was just wondering.
I'm gonna end it so I can send it, boys.
Wait, you didn't even send it yet.
Shh.
They don't know that.
Yeah, they don't know that.
Alright, hold up.
Well, now they do. Because we're terrible at making videos and Bradley's being an idiot.
I'm trying to get stuck so I can take my foot out.
Oh my gosh. Why do you want to take your phone out? Here, can you
They
hold your phone for a
call
second?
me-
I need to grab my phone.
Idiot, why'd you get my phone this dirty? Stupid.
Not stupid.
Okay.
Y'all head on back home.
Who?
My dad.
Dang.
All right, here. I'm gonna take the camera back.
Okay. With
yeah.
those hands, yeah. Okay, go ahead.
Hold on, no. I was holding with the other hand. All right. Bradley has done the successful.
Dude, it feels so good to my feet.
So those are mine.
Wow!
Those are his. Those are his feet. These
Dude,
are my
it's
feet.
so slimy and gross, but I like
It's
it.
still slimy.
Dude, I swear I'm gonna step on like something really sharp and die.
I bet there's nothing sharp under here.
I just felt something sharp.
Those are probably clams.
Something like that.
All right. We're gonna head on back home because that's what my dad told me to do. And you know, always gotta obey your papas. Or pops, not papas. I do not have two dads.
Dude.
That would be weird.
How do you know? How do you know that you don't have two dads? Because Candy could be a dude. That's weird.
Yeah. All right.
Ah, man,
These boots are probably gonna. No, they actually don't weigh that much.
Oh, that sounded like a fart. Oh, man,
Oh.
no.
Oh.
Dude, I'm stepping on a wall.
I feel like an idiot right now doing this.
You shouldn't,
I
because I'm
feel
doing
so
it.
stupid.
You shouldn't feel like an idiot, because I'm doing it. Harrison.
Ow. Ow. Oh, wow, that was deep. This is not dry.
I like this. It feels good between my toes.
Oh, yeah. Of course it does. Bro, that's my foot. Like, it freaking doesn't even look like a foot. Like, if I just, like...
Oh my gosh, it feels so awesome! I love this feeling, I'm just letting you know.
Okay. Is this hard?
That's what she said, I'm fine. Sorry. Hey, every guy in that group chat is gonna laugh at that, okay?
I know.
Some of the girls
might.
You have any lesbian girls in your group? Oh. That is so...
We're team Packers and we're Christian. We go to Chick-fil-A, okay?
That's funny.
I don't think so. Alright. We're attempting to head back. I probably should have responded to my dad and actually said okay. Probably not. I took my foot out first.
Dude, I just scraped my foot on something so sharp, I gotta take it out. It's like, it hurt.
You'll be fine.
Okay, no, it didn't skin out.
Alright. End it.
I can't get out.
Now I'm back with another video. Got it crossed. Bradley.
Does this or does this not feel really good to your feet, though?
It does, actually. Well, I mean, it feels good, but if you think about what you're stepping on, you're like, oh frick.
That's why you don't think, you just drink.
Okay. People are texting me. Oh, that's Bradley.
I love this. Ah! I mean, haha.
Alright, I am responding to my dad.
Dude, this is so
Boom,
deep.
sent. Alright.
Hey, wait, hold it. Can you stop recording so I can put that in my pocket? Or no?
No, you're good.
I mean, okay.
Alright.
I'm doing this later, like tonight. I'm totally doing this.
Do we even have 3 pairs of boots? Wait, do we even
why do we need boots?
Why do we need boots?
Look at us
That is
now.
the question of life. Why do we need boots? We don't want to be country people, but we ain't country.
Oh, mother trucker!
That was a T and an R.
Dude, I just stepped on a stick that's really sharp. Dude, I think it's through my foot. I think it's through my foot. That's fine.
Oh, gosh. Alright, that's actually really hard, but we'll step on a lot of clams.
That's what he said, because he's gay.
Wow. Alright, we're not going to go over there, because that is a lot of clams, and we really don't want to step on those. So we're going to go over the soft spots. Because
Dang it, Harrison.
that's what real men do.
Your dad's going to be like, what took y'all so long? He'll be like, nothing.
Nope. Totally didn't get stuck. Alright, these boots are like really heavy. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna like chunk them and then walk to them. That was like 4 feet, but okay. No, there's not. All the way out here.
Yeah.
Bro, that's a freaking paddle boat. I didn't even know that.
Dude! My leg is stuck! My freaking leg!
The left one?
Yes!
Grab the stump.
It's above the flipping knee!
Grab the stump.
Why did I bring
Because it's awesome.
It is. Ah! It's so slimy. Good thing you're holding the phone.
Yeah. Your phone would be out of your pocket by now.
Here,
Oh, that was a whole. Oh, why am I walking towards the paddle boat? This is stupid. There's something called a washer. You can wash them.
Can we wash them tonight while the mud is wet?
Yeah.
Okay. Because if it hardens, I feel like it's not going to be too good. LeBron James' shirt has stayed clean for the most part, knock on wood.
That's a spider. I'm gone. Okay. I'm back on the solid stuff. Not stepping through anything. That's a pipe. Bro. Talk about needing a shower. Bradley, hold up. Look at his legs. Look at his hands.
How you doing?
He just
How
walked
do I get
across.
my boots? I have to go across.
No, I'll come back and throw them to you.
Thank goodness for being a bro. Alright, hold on. I'm so happy. No, wait. Okay, I'm so happy you're holding the phone and not me, though.
Yeah, because I would not walk across that like you just did.
Okay.
Okay. We're going to be out here for a while, probably. So I'm going to end it and do another one because I want these to actually send. Oh gosh, I just stepped in a hole. Alright, I'm going to like try to throw these boots over. And they're there. Second one. Ah! Woo! How am I gonna get out of this? That's the real question.
I stepped on clams.
Yay! Oh my gosh, we're so stupid.
Why do we do this?
Ah! Oh my gosh. Ah!
Got an idea? I got feet hands now.
Bro, that's so smart.
Yeah, no.
My boots are way over there. Alright, I'm gonna put the camera down so I can use my hands. Y'all can watch me.
No, put it in your pocket.
I'm stuck. That was a voice crack.
I'm trying to save you. Dude, your dad's gonna flip out.
Oh yeah, totally. I bet. Oh, there was an air bubble.
The Loch Ness Monster. Look at your freaking feet. That's awesome. Oh shoot, mine are the same.
No way! I just freaking. I'm sitting in the mud right now.
Dude, that's like a car or something. No.
Alright.
Dude, oh my gosh, it's an air bubble. Ow. Sharp sticks.
Sharp sticks. I lick sticks that have ice cream on them.
Oh.
What a save.
Oh. You're welcome, Bradley. I just saved you from not having your boots.
Alright, I'm about to throw my boots across this.
Are you gonna walk across? Dude, look how deep my feet went. Do not walk across that. That is not dry.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh my gosh,
I
Bradley.
only do what man people do. Oh shoot, I'm so happy I've had my tetanus shots, like honestly.
I haven't.
Harrison's gonna die. Any final words to that group chat?
Do not. Well, I mean, I was about to say don't do this, but this is actually pretty
Especially to
awesome.
that special person, Harrison.
Because like, just thinking about like.
Oh, freak. Oh, I'm so dumb. Really, I am.
No, that's not as bad. But like, do this. Do it. I would totally do this.
Do this?
No.
Oh.
I would totally walk on this. Like, why not though?
Yeah.
I mean, like, just think
I'm
about
just
that
so
for a
happy,
second.
Again, that you have the phone. Like,
Yeah,
like,
because I am a lot more responsible than you.
I mean, that, or just because your hands are dry. More dry than mine.
True. I mean, yeah. I mean, this one's not.
I'm gonna have
that
to
great.
spend some time cleaning my phone.
I mean,
Man, these
fair enough.
clams really do hurt, but I think we should be troopers and
Run?
not run. No, never. But this is asking for pain. And to drop my phone.
And to jump the phone, yeah.
The
Ow.
phone is the most important thing out there.
Not.
Other than us.
Yeah, I was about to say, other than us, it's the most important thing.
Like, important item.
My phone's in my pocket.
It's such a flippin' long walk. Look at that.
We're good.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be good if you go on moaning like that. Exactly.
All right, I'm gonna end it and then start another one because
We're
that's
back again.
Bradley's gonna run out of storage after this.
Chat is gonna first, yeah, I'm gonna run out of storage. Your group chat's gonna hate you because you just spam like 3-minute videos.
Yup. No, they're not gonna hate me, because this is gonna be a vlog. This is the vlog of our day. After. Yeah, I'm going over here.
If Isaac was here, he could edit it.
Ah! Clams! Oh, clam alert.
They hurt, don't they?
No, I didn't step on one. I just like was annoyed or alerted that there were clams over here. Trying my best not to step on them.
Would you rather step on 100 nails at once or one nail at once?
One. Just stupid.
Actually, you're stupid, and your whole group chat's gonna hear that. Because think about it. If you
I'm sensible. Thank you very much.
I'm saying that if you step on one nail, it's gonna go in your foot, right?
Yup.
Face up, yeah. Step on 100 nails, that pressure or what you're stepping on is distributed throughout your foot, so it's not gonna break the skin.
Wow, that makes so much sense.
All right, well they're gonna get it because they're actually smart, you know. No offense. No, Harrison, I thought you knew that. Like stepping on 1,000 nails is safer than stepping on one.
Whatever.
Like
I'm not gonna argue. I'm not gonna argue with you.
distributed over all the nails.
You're
So not,
okay.
not all waiting for on one nail.
Whatever.
All right, then we'll ask Madison tonight when we FaceTime.
We're probably not gonna FaceTime. I don't know. We'll see. Why is Bradley so much farther ahead than I am? I'm gonna throw the boots. Officially thrown.
Freak, I thought you were about to hit me with this.
Bro, I can't throw that far. These things weigh like 30 pounds. Okay,
I think I'm getting first shower, boys.
Ooh, I just felt something on my foot. That's a pine cone. I can just throw this at you. Probably look like it's so weird with those boots on. You just like look at them. I can't zoom in because my hands are so muddy. Okay, here we go. He's way ahead of me. I'm gonna try to walk.
Dude, holding those boots hurts, don't they?
Yeah, it does, especially with like one hand. My foot just went in, but I'm good. Not that far though.
What? That's not even the dog!
Is that what you thought it was?
Yes! Now how are we gonna get across? Remember we walked on the border, that's where snakes are, we're barefoot.
Oh shoot. We can put our feet back in the boots. That's fine. I might actually put them back in like right now.
We should go around this way.
All right. Attempting to put feet back into the boots. Somehow these are actually gonna be washed. Probably not, but I don't know.
Harrison! A golf ball!
Cool. Video.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I'm making
I'm
Bradley.
gonna hit you in the head with a golf ball.
Hey, you can delete all these once I send them to myself. So
Okay.
don't hit me with the golf ball.
Wait, what percent is my phone at?
Oh, I didn't even think about that. Hold up. Well, that was a good experience. We made it back alive. Yeah. Woohoo! Bradley, do you have any tips or any comments?
Don't buy organic freaking Doritos. They're freaking gay. And also, sorry, if you're gay, I don't mean to offend you or anything. Well, that's kind of weird now. I mean, if you're a dude and you're lesbian, that's alright. But if you're... I'm eating the same chips, wearing the same shirt as the intro, because we might have recorded the intro after, so we might have already known what's going on. I don't know.
Oh.
Cool.
Oh, maybe. Maybe.
That was pretty cool. We kind of sank, so...
Yeah.
Alright.
It was fun though. It was.
I love the feeling of the mud in between my toes.
You mentioned that.
I did?
Yeah, you did.
When?
In the video.
No, I don't care.
Yeah.
Well, I just want to let y'all know, you know. You need to try it too, okay?
Yeah,
I'm
you
gonna
should
tell y'all
definitely
our
try
address.
that. Definitely try that.
The
Just don't
address
come to.
here-
Well,
No.
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 But yeah, definitely go try that. Find a dry lake. It's awesome.
You see that? Okay, so on your screen, you're gonna see this like red thing. It says
Yeah,
subscribe.
subscribe. It starts with an S.
It's subscribe.
It's like bright
He
red.
can't read, he's dyslexic.
Yeah,
He
it's
can't
like
read.
right next. Well, it's like right next to our name, so like make sure to hit that subscribe button.
And then
like the
above
video.
that, no,
It's
don't.
like a gray.
You gotta
thing.
break it down for him, Harrison. You gotta
Yep.
treat him like the caveman.
Right. Okay. So it's this thing
Like
where
the
it's like that.
Worthless slaves, okay?
It's like that, and
Now
but
listen.
it's like gray, and it doesn't have like all the bones on it. It's just like that. Yeah. It's no words.
And you
It's
tap
just like
it?
yeah. You just tap
And
it.
it gives us money.
See, it's like that
Guys,
easy.
we're kinda
It's
broke.
yeah. We're broke.
We're living in a shed right now. It just looks like a ruin.
Yeah.
Yeah. Three
And-
gay guys.
and please
sitting
comment.
in a bed. It's fine. Maybe we should end it here. I'm making way too many gay jokes. Somebody do anything to be offended. And just click that in button.
Yeah. We'll just end it right here.
Click it.
Comment, subscribe,
Click
like.
the button.